Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2012 GMC Yukon. Stock number is A8033A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Alloy wheels, those are wrapped with Michelin tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. Second row and third row bench seating, so plenty of room for the whole family. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera, as well as a factory trailer hitch on the back. There's a 50-50 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full stereo, that includes a CD player and auxiliary input. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.